In the meantime, those setbacks in the battle against COVID in this country, a key vaccine trial has now been suspended tonight after a volunteer came down with an unexplained illness. And tonight, Eli Lilly is now suspending its own trial of a key antibody treatment. Here's ABC's Stephanie Ramos tonight.
Tonight, Eli Lilly confirming a pause in its trial of an antibody treatment after a potential safety concern, now under review. It's a different antibody treatment than the one taken by the president. This latest setback coming just a day after Johnson & Johnson paused its vaccine trial when a volunteer became sick. It's not known if the illness is related to the vaccine. Johnson & Johnson now the second major vaccine maker to pause its trial after AstraZeneca.
My expectation is that they're going to sort this out. And whether it's this vaccine or a different one, that we will have something approved for emergency use probably in November, maybe December.
The need for effective treatments and vaccines more urgent than ever. This field hospital in Milwaukee now ready to take up to 550 patients. Wisconsin, one of 35 states where hospitalizations are climbing. 64-year-old Ken Holmes battled the virus for 3 weeks in the hospital.
You're afraid to fall asleep. It's because you don't know if you're going to wake up.
Ken telling us how grateful he was to go home.
The doctors and nurses aren't just heroes, they're angels.
We saved your life.
Oh, without a doubt.
We continue to celebrate all of our frontline workers, the doctors and nurses. Let's get right to Stephanie again tonight because, Stephanie, as I understand it, we still don't know if either of these trials were halted, whether the volunteers in question had actually been given the vaccine, that antibody, or the placebo in each of these trials.
David, it's not clear in the vaccine or antibody trial that have been paused whether these volunteers received placebo or the real thing. But an independent monitoring board will now take a look at what happened and determine whether it's related to the vaccine or antibodies. Doctors say these developments are common in clinical trials. David.
Yes, this is how the system is supposed to work. Stephanie, our thanks to you again tonight.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.